everybody, welcome to the Magic Kingdom. We are here today going to be checking out some of the changes that are happening over at the Rivers of America and Tom Sawyer Island, making way for the brand new Cars area that we are going to be getting here in the next couple of years. That area is completely shutting down within the next few weeks, so we're going to take a look at all the action that's happening over here, and we're going to do a lot of food, get a lot of things done today, so it should be an awesome day. Come along with us, it's going to be great. Here we go, Magic Kingdom, always the most magical park. This is the park that everybody wants to be at. When they come into town for a Walt Disney World vacation, this is the park that draws them in here, which is why we keep saying you can't screw up Magic Kingdom, because that's the brass ring. If you screw up Magic Kingdom, nobody's going to be coming to Epcot, Animal Kingdom, or Hollywood Studios, or any of the water parks. So you got to make sure that you keep this thing going strong. This park has double the attendance of any of their other parks, and you can see why, because this view here is absolutely spectacular. Main Street, USA here, Cinderella Castle right in the background. It just really doesn't get much better than this. Although I do have to say, Epic Universe, Celestial Park, nighttime, it's up there. I want to head into the Main Street confectionery as we get here, because I want to check out, see if they have any new popcorn here. They always have some sort of special treat, special popcorn. And they had the strawberry one, which I missed out on a little bit ago. And I want to see what they have now, because I feel like this is one of the best deals in the park, is this confectionery popcorn, like create your own popcorn thing. It's like, for the price and how much you get, it's literally like the best deal. All right, it looks like they still have the s'mores one that they had last time I was in here, but it looks pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. Let me just see what it has here. Caramel popcorn, M&M's, chocolate, graham crackers, marshmallows, milk chocolate. Yum, that looks awesome. Man, that line is insane in there for that popcorn, though. It's starting to catch on. I remember when they first started doing it, it was like not bad, but like the line is literally like stretching all the way through the place. So I'm not gonna be getting it right now. Maybe I'll get it later. But the s'mores looks awesome. Almost everybody in there had the s'mores. But they've got a lot of good stuff in there. I feel like it's a great deal. It's like usually like 15 bucks, and it's a huge thing. It's like 10 pounds of candy on top of the popcorn, so it's a good deal to get you going. It'll keep you going like all day if you get it early on. Well, first things first, it is time to eat. We are all hungry, and we're gonna grab some quick service food, and Starlight Cafe, Cosmic Rays is gonna be it. This is a good spot to come to for people who, you know, picky eaters, or just like standard food, burgers, chicken tenders, etc. This is a good spot for it. Pretty standard food. Plus it's nice and air conditioned in here. It's got a lot of good space. And at night you can actually watch the fireworks. They do play the music in here, and you can watch the fireworks from your seat while you're eating. All right, it's time to eat. I ended up getting the Angus bacon cheeseburger. That comes with all the toppings. You can get the bacon, you get lettuce, tomato, onion. It comes with a special sauce, which is kind of like a Thousand Island sauce. It's pretty good. And then I also upgraded for $2. I ended up getting the garlic parmesan truffle fries. Overall, it's $13.99 plus $2 for the price, so $15.99. And this thing looks absolutely awesome. It is humongous. I don't even know how we're going to start on it, but we're going to give it a go. I mean, look at this thing. It is an absolute monster. I mean, it's got so much stuff happening right there. And the bun looks all nice and like buttery and crisp. I don't know. Let's go. Let's give it a rip. I'll tell you what. It's a theme park burger, but it's one of the best, I think. They've really upgraded it, the sauce that they have on there. I feel like it's better than it has been in years past. I'm a fan. The bacon is nice and crisp. The burger patty tastes pretty good. All the stuff on top is fresh. You do have to ask for all the toppings on top of it. They don't just give it to you by default. So everything comes separately. So if you don't like the sauce on it, you don't have to order it. If you want all the other toppings, you just ask for it when you go up there. And they give it to you free. And I gotta say, I've had this burger a few times now, and I'm a fan. I think this is the best burger that they have in Magic Kingdom. This burger is awesome. It's nothing fancy, nothing crazy to write home about, but like, It's just a solid burger. And then I ended up getting these fries. They have these like shoestring fries, which I think are pretty good here at Magic Kingdom. But they have this like garlic truffle sauce that you can get on it. Again, $2 extra. I don't know. I'm really a fan. I love it. Let's give it a go. I want to give it. Here we go. That garlic truffle sauce and Parmesan cheese on top is so good. I'm not gonna lie, that truffle like garlic sauce really elevates these fries. I mean, it almost makes these feel like taste like fancy, like restaurant quality French fries with this sauce on it that you'd pay, you know, $10 for. It's only $2 extra. I'm a fan. All right, here we go. Let's check it out. Hard to believe that on the other side of this building here, see that crane over there too. That's the Big Thunder Mountain reimagining work that they're doing. But on the other side of this building, the water there should still be there based on the new concept art. I'm seeing there will be water, and it looks like the water will go almost all the way over to where Tom Sawyer Island is. But then over there to the right towards Haunted Mansion will be all concrete, all walking between this building and the Haunted Mansion there, because that'll be the entrance and take you into the Villain's Land. But I want to come over here and take a look at this real quick, because it looks like on the concept art that this will stay right here, this pathway, from what I can tell. Obviously the riverboat will be gone, and I think this water we might end up getting to keep this water right here and this walkway. I think this concrete path will stay, and I even think some of this bridge right here might stay also. Now, I don't think the water may not be quite as wide with the addition of Cars Land right here. So maybe if you bring Tom Sawyer Island over a little bit closer to us, that'll be what you end up with. But I do think, based on what I'm seeing, some of this pathway may survive. And you can see it in the concept art. But I think that maybe if you take maybe about half of the width of this river maybe, will probably be how wide the water ends up being. I hope, because otherwise then Rivers of America will truly be dead. And I'm really not going to be happy with that. But if we can at least keep half of this width, or even all this width really, I mean there's plenty of space over there on that island for Cars Land. And then maybe some of this bridge stays, but we could get lucky. And so I'm not seeing anything yet. Obviously, there's no construction happening right here. We still got about less than 4 weeks before this area completely shuts off. I'm going to assume they're going to start throwing some walls up and we'll start seeing some construction happening. But we'll say farewell to this. I just want to give it one nice look again because it's going to be gone soon. And it is really just beautiful. I mean, just check it out. I mean, it's pretty sad that this whole area will be gone, but hopefully we get a big portion of it. I love sort of the water wheel over here. You can see that water wheel. It looks to me like they might repurpose this for Cars Land. So maybe they'll save that water wheel. It's in the back of Cars Land, but they do have a wheel, I noticed, and I'm wondering if they're going to try to save that and repurpose it, or if it's going to be a totally different water wheel. I'm not sure. But overall, I'm a bit happy with what I saw in the latest fun map, because it does seem like it's going to save quite a bit of this water here, and it will be, and we're still also getting a new attraction, new area as well. So I think that could be a win-win situation. It's not quite, it's probably not going to look quite as nice as what we've got here, but it's better than nothing. Now I do think it would be cool to see the riverboat setting outside of Tiana's Bayou here, over on the water line. Do some sort of Tiana's Bayou, Tiana's Food Palace, Tiana's Restaurant on the riverboat. But I don't think that's going to happen. It's not looking like it in the concept art. I'm not sure if they can really keep the riverboat in good shape without being able to bring it off into the dock. So we'll see. I don't know. I think it would be cool, but I don't think we're going to get it. Because, I mean, yeah, that would make too much sense, right? Save the riverboat, put a restaurant on it. Tiana's Palace. I mean, that would make too much sense. We can't have that. Well, we're going to head over here now, since we're on our way to Pirates of the Caribbean. I think we're going to give it a go. Yes, it's only a 10-minute wait. Oh yeah, good. And there's the line. I don't see the line in here, which is a good sign. So if the line doesn't start until after you're in the building, you're in like Flynn. So that's good. Fireworks are going to be starting here in the next 20 minutes or so. So this is a good time to hit the rides. It's the best time to hit the rides, really. And we're walking right on Pirates. So score.
Be brave, Carlos. Don't listen to him.
Where be Captain Jack Sparrow? Speak up! Or do you fancy a swim with Davy Jones?
Well, since we're over here in Frontierland, we might as well do Tiana's Bayou. It's surprisingly only a 15-minute wait. I'm not looking forward to getting wet, though, I'm going to be honest. So I'm going to be cowering like the biggest wuss you've ever seen and as far down to the bottom of the boat as I possibly can get. Because, man, I do not like getting wet. But I like this ride, so. Yeah, when all these turnstiles are empty, that makes me a very happy person. All right, here we go. Splash Mountain. Austin, you ready?
Yeah.
We're in the back, thankfully. Oh, I already got wet. Usually we're like in the front, and I was not having it today. I said I'm doing the back or I'm not riding at all. So I made everybody else sit in the front.
And I'm wet. Wet already, guys.
We'll ask them to join the band for sure.
Not too shabby. We made it. Did you get wet? How wet you get?
Really wet.
Let's go. Fireworks are rocking. They were a little bit late today. About 20 minutes after they were supposed to start because there was lightning delay, which gave us the perfect amount of time to get to Space Mountain before they're over. It says 5-minute wait right now. So let's rock Space Mountain on our way, listening to awesome music.
I held the cold stuff.
So if you get in the car,
Space Mountain was a walk-on.
100% walk off.
I mean, I don't think it gets any better than that, honestly. Look at that. Like nobody back there. Oh, we're getting on. Okay. Wow. The merchandise I just came out of Space Mountain. This is some crazy. I didn't even know they had this merch. Look at this. It's all Hoth merchandise. Star Wars, Battle of Hoth. You see it right there. It says Hoth. Obviously from Empire Strikes Back. These ears are awesome, but also they have the bags. So they got these bags, the Loungefly backpack, and they have Hoth Echo Base shirts. What? Basically a whole line of Hoth. Hoth is probably my favorite area in Star Wars universe during Empire Strikes Back. I grew up with that, and I just absolutely love the snow and the feel of the whole entire movie. And that's pretty cool. Oh, you can tell it's the end of the night. Look at this madhouse. Look at this. And you can't even move right here. And the fireworks ended, I don't know, 10 minutes ago, 15 minutes ago, I'd say, and just everybody's just flocking to the exit because the fireworks were delayed. So we're gonna hang out for a little bit and wait for the crowd to disperse. But look at that! Look at the line for the ice cream. Man, what's going on? Look at it! It's going all the way out of the place. But we're gonna chill here because it's either wait here and hang out and do some shopping, maybe grab some ice cream, or it's wait in the diabolical monorail line and ferry line. You know, never do that. Wait for all these people to leave. All these people. They're going to go stand in a very ginormous line for the monorail and the ferry. And we're just going to chill. We're going to do a little shopping. We're going to check out the stores, stand in the air conditioning. Maybe grab a little ice cream, a little snack. And then by the time that's all over, there will be nobody standing in line waiting for the monorail. Work smarter, not harder. Oh, another night, closing out Magic Kingdom. I gotta say, look at it. Look, see how many less people here now? Because we waited a little while, we got some ice cream. It was busting. I didn't even video it because it's the same ice cream I always get. It's really the best thing ever. I'm pretty sure that the monorail line is going to be completely empty, but hope you enjoyed this episode. What do you think of Rivers of America? What do you think about the fix? Is it going to be enough to make a difference? It looks better. Feels like they're saving part of it. I don't know. I can't wait to see like where it gets walled off and what they end up doing with it. But it looks to me like it's going to be better than it was before. Still not great, but at least there's a little bit safe. So anyhow, I'm going to get out of here. It's been an awesome night here at Magic Kingdom. As usual, love being here. It's such a good place to be. It's one of my favorite places to be. So hope you enjoyed this episode. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. And of course, thanks so much for watching. We do really appreciate your support. Until I see you next time, the Noble Way is the easy way. Bye-bye, everybody.